Hi guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. So, Beautylish and I believe Jeffree Star Cosmetics were both having a buy one get one free palette sale. And in my COVID-induced stupor, I've been doing a lot of web surfing because what else is there to do? Can't go anywhere, can't do anything. So I got this email from Beautylish. No matter what you think about the guy, his eyeshadow formula is amazing. I couldn't resist. I went and got the Cremated and the Blood Lust palette. Today, we're getting into the Cremated palette. I'll show you how I got this look, and I'll give you my thoughts on this palette. If that sounds like something you're interested in, just keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe button, ring that little notification bell, and it'll let you know when I'm uploading next. So let's go ahead and jump right into this, shall we? Okay, so like I said in the intro, I did pick up the Cremated palette and the Blood Lust palette. I'm gonna work with the Cremated palette today just because it's very different from what I've been using recently. I know I've been doing a lot of bright colors, and when I saw it, I was just like, oof, I think I need that in my life because I don't have a lot of gray tone smoky colors. And I figured I'd just do a video on one and then a video on the other. And I know they've been done a million times over, I'm sure, by other YouTubers, but you know what? They're new to me. So I'm not gonna get into doing swatches or anything like that because there are a lot of other videos out there that have swatches, and quite frankly, if you wanted to see swatches, you could honestly go on Instagram and see 8,000 different swatches of this. So that's what it looks like. It's shiny. And I swear I don't know what's going on with this man's face, but that eye makeup is absolutely stunning, and I know that it's lipstick mix artistry. I don't know how much retouching was done on that, but how does that guy not have any wrinkles? He's not like 22 years old. Yeah, whatever. So that's what the cover looks like. Let's get into the inside because that's what we want to look at. That's what it looks like. It's lovely. It comes with a good sized mirror, and we're not gonna like show that right directly to you because I don't want to blind you. Let's just yank that puppy off. It's sticking to me. I can't put that down there. Every time I put something in my trash can, my dogs dig it out and eat it. Like, I picked up some Good Molecules primer, the silicone-free priming moisturizer, when I got these, and I literally just opened the box, put it in my trash can, and not 10 minutes later, George found it, and I have a box of Good Molecules primer stuff all over my floor. I mean, it's just the cardboard box, you know, I can clean it up, but I can't put anything in my trash. My dogs are dumpster divers. I thought that because I wanted to give this palette the best chance I could, I'm gonna use my natural hair brushes just because I watched another video where the girl did a review on this and she used the Sigma brushes, like had the same brushes as I did. And I'll see if I can find that video and link it actually, because she started to put on one of the colors and I'm trying to think of which one it was. It's not that important, but she was having the hardest time with it, and it was patchy and it wasn't blending out, and I was like, I bet that's not the color. I bet that's not the eyeshadow. I bet that is those brushes. So we're not doing that. It sucks because I really love like 3 of the brushes in that set, but the rest of it I wouldn't give you 5 cents for. It sucks. Lesson learned. Anyways, I don't know how Sigma got so hyped because, yeah, moving on. I'm not sure quite what I want to do today, so I think I'm gonna go in with, what color? I want to make this kind of a smoky look because I don't do that almost ever. I think it's because sometimes it makes me look a little bit older and, you know, like I have one foot in the grave. Get it? Deceased. Been sick, one foot in the grave. Oh God, okay. The jokes are getting worse. I don't really know if you guys get my sense of humor or not, but I really do hope so if you watch my channel. So I think I wanna go into Solemnly Swear. That's this one, right? Nope, yep, right here. Let's see what this looks like. So I'm gonna go in with that one in my crease, I think. Go big or go home today, right? Ooh, okay, there's a lot of fallout on this. That might be an issue for me. I will say, I don't feel like this color is coming across patchy in real life. And it seems to be blending out pretty well. There's a lot of fallout in the pan too, just FYI. I don't know if you care about that or not, but I don't usually care about it in the pan. I just don't want, especially with gray or dark colors, I just don't want it on my cheek. And I will say, since I've tapped it out, this cheek I don't have any fallout on. It's just this cheek. And probably because I didn't tap it out. So I'm gonna take my little lens blower. That worked. Huh. Who knew? Like, I'd always thought about using this for like fallout, but I haven't had any really issues with it lately. But if you're worried about fallout, get a blowy lens cleaner. My husband gave it to me for my camera when I got my new camera. Nice. Yeah, I think this color is blending out beautifully with this brush. Of course, it's a natural hair brush. I think I'm gonna take this color Casket Ready right here and just blend out the top of this. Sorry if you can hear my husband. He's chopping wood outside for his studio to get it warmed up. He's been building this studio out back and he's got a wood stove in there. It keeps it nice and warm when he's working on the interior of the studio, but he's right there. And I can see him chopping wood. Yeah, these are blending out beautifully. I don't know. I think it's all on the brushes. Well, I mean, obviously good materials to start with. I didn't figure that the Jeffree Star palettes would be garbage because my Jawbreaker palette is absolutely one of my favorite palettes I've ever purchased because the quality is just exceptional. So I figured that's what I would be getting with this too, which so far so good. All right, I want to deepen the outside corners up. So I'm gonna go into Gravedigger, this one right here. I'm gonna use my little flat shader for that. Definitely need to remember to tap this one off. That's a nice color. I like that. So far, I'm really happy with the way the shadows are performing. Of course, I didn't expect any less from this palette. I think I am gonna dip back into the Solemnly Swear color and just kind of go back over that crease color a little bit and blend it into the Gravedigger color. Bring it up a little bit higher too. Yeah, I like that better. I'm on the fence post because I really want to try this Angel of Death color, but then I am looking at Pallbearer and I'm like, oh, God, that is beautiful. But then I'm like, but that's darker and it would really smoke this out. But then I'm like, but it's so shiny and pretty. Oh God, what do I want to do? Hold on. Let's let the arm decide. Okay, Pallbearer is more like a topper shade, I would say. Why do I do this to myself? Hold on. Just when I think I'm getting better at this whole swatching game, I go and do something boneheaded. Like that. I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. In a better way, hopefully. That is Angel of Death. And that is Pallbearer. And Pallbearer is more of a silver, I think. like a silvery topper shade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that Angel of Death, but I'm gonna pat that on with my finger because I wanna keep that sparkliness. Actually, I might put a glitter glue underneath that because it is very sparkly and beautiful, but I don't know if you would lose that because it's so dark. I don't want to lose it because it's beautiful. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Can you see that? It's very sparkly and pretty, but it's so dark that I almost feel like you have to be really close up to see it. Let me see. I don't even know where I tried that. I don't have my glasses on, can't see shit far away. All right, so I like that. That is beautiful. No, I think I'm gonna go on the center with that pallbearer shade because my other options I feel like are too light. And I wanna do that Diamond Ashes, I think, on the inner V and corner area just because it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, okay? Oh, that is beautiful. I might have just wet my pants a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. That is absolutely gorgeous color. Oh my God. Oh, good Lord. Oh, honey. That is so lovely. Okay, just because I'm not playing around with my inner corner, I'm getting a little applicator here. I'm gonna use Diamond Ashes right here for my inside because I want to keep it sparkly. Just be careful if you're using one of these because I will tell you, it's kind of flaky, if you can see that. It'll work itself out, but I should have put glitter glue underneath these because I bet that would have made them even better. Because I only put the glitter glue on the outer corner for that black Angel of Death color, and I bet that would have just made these two just apeshit gorgeous. I decided I'm gonna run some of this Gravedigger under my lower lash line and maybe blend it in with some the Casket Ready, or maybe Death Blow. I'm gonna wing it, as I always do. I mean, that's a true statement. So, you know. What, I think I have white and black eyeliner. I know I have silver. Maybe I'll silver and black eyeliner. Maybe I'll... Okay, so that's the only thing. I wish there was like true metallic silver in here. Well, I don't know. I haven't tried this. No. I mean, like the closest to a true silver would be the pallbearer, but it's not. Oh my God. One of them is flatulating today really bad. Like I'm trying to think of what human food I might have given them because it is so ripe. Like I think it's Georgie. He's right under my feet. I think he's ripping ass and it's so bad. I feel like I need to leave the room. Oh my God. Buddy, are you okay? Don't shit yourself, okay? Because I don't want to clean that up. Oh my God. My dogs. I love them. They fart a lot. They're big. All right, so yeah, we're gonna do Death Blow. This white, because I want to see if it's like a real white. It's almost like it's taking over that pallbearer shade. Come on. That looks better, I think. But it's not really coming across as white. I'm sure if I put eyeshadow primer down underneath that and just kind of tapped it and then blended, it would probably be better. Oh my God, I wonder if the Bucks game is starting. The Bucs play Green Bay today, and we're hoping that they go to the Super Bowl. I'll tell you, it's been quite a year with having Tom Brady on the Buccaneers and living in New England and being a Buccaneers fan, because New Englanders aren't real happy about that. I'm just letting you know. But me, as a Buccaneers fan, am ecstatic to have Tom Brady and Rob Gronkowski on our team. And I'm like, whenever we get the opportunity, we try and watch the games, but I'm a jinx. And a lot of times I'm like, I shouldn't be watching this game because they're gonna lose and it'll be my fault. It's so stupid, I know, but listen, I have been a fan of the Buccaneers since they had Bucko Bruce on their jerseys. I think that they actually were established the year that I was born, or maybe the year before, a year after, I'm not sure, but I know it was pretty close, and it was a big deal to get a football team in Tampa Bay, so everybody was super stoked at first. Well, of course, I was knee-high to a grasshopper. I wouldn't know difference between whether there was football or somebody was trying to push a tennis ball at me on the floor, but I've been a pretty diehard Buccaneers fan all of my life, and I had to go through like those Sam Weiss years and the heartbreak and the, you know, oh, we almost got there. Oh, the Tony Dungy years when our team was so good and he was such a great coach, and we were so close and we just couldn't get there. And now, fingers crossed, because we have one Super Bowl win for the entire existence of the franchise. So I'm really hoping that this year will be number 2. I'm like just bullshit talking about football, and probably none of you care about football, and probably the majority of you are not Buccaneers fans. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my eyeliner, do my mascara, and I actually did my eyebrows before I came on camera today for once. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the finished look. I just threw on some black and silver eyeliner, and I went into the Moonchild palette and threw on some of the Star here for highlighter. It's so pretty. And of course, liner and mascara. And I had to throw on my Bucs jersey just to represent, because we were talking about it. What can I say? I'm proud of my team this year. They're doing so well. I never thought I'd say this, but I love Tom Brady. Anyways, my thoughts on the Cremated palette. Of course, it's a Jeffree Star palette. I expected it to be good. It's definitely living up to my expectations. This color right here, Pallbearer, oh my God, it is beautiful. And I went out in the sun and I took a small little caption video of what it looked like in the sun, you know, between the Angel of Death, the Pallbearer, and the Diamond Dashes. They're all really, really beautiful, super like glittery, but not glittery colors. They're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm super excited that I got this palette. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, because not only can I just use it for like a grayscale look like this, but I can use it as a companion palette with all of my colorful palettes. So I'm super excited about that. Anyways, let me know, do you have this palette? What are your thoughts on it? Would you buy it regardless of who it's manufactured by? And my thing is, cancel culture makes me a little nuts. So everybody makes mistakes. Thank God we're all human and can forgive. Ours is not to judge. Anyways, I love it. I think it's beautiful. Just let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, ring that little notification bell. It'll let you know next time I'm uploading. We'll see you again really soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.